Behind every Haplast zipper and slider bag is a precise manufacturing process. From premium raw materials to advanced extrusion, sealing, and quality control, every step is carefully managed to ensure durability, convenience, and consistent performance. At Haplast, we turn quality packaging into reliable solutions for everyday needs.
So here I have the sample for the zipper and the slider bag and packed in dispenser boxes like this. Very commonly sold in the supermarket in the US or the EU market. And we can make them in many sizes, and we can make them with print or without print. And they are made with virgin material, so they are very food safety. You can trust putting your food in here without worrying about the microplastic or dirty plastic. And the zipper here very tight, very seal tight, leak-proof and air-proof, so you don't have to worry about your food putting in the refrigerator to have water coming out or the odor coming out. This one I have here is the slider. You see, this is very smooth. You can put it very easily, and also very seal tight. So also very leak-proof and air-proof. Virgin material, so food safety. And they are coming in many colorful boxes like this. You can take the bag off very easily, and they are very commonly sold in supermarket for family to use.